Okay, in this video we talk about the biological nitrogen fixation by the resolving with the helping the engineer Daniel Valle. He is a research assistant of investigation in Zamorano. Okay, I have many questions, and one of these is, which is the biological nitrogen of fixation?
Well, biological nitrogen fixation is the activity that bacteria does in the soil, in this case rhizobium, and it's making available the nitrogen that it's in the atmosphere, which is not available for the plants. So these bacteria make it available for the plant so that it can absorb it.
Okay. Which is a development of these bacteria? Only the plants on other, or what plants? Okay.
Yes, with the limitation that rhizobium has, it's that it only works with legumes.
Okay.
It cannot work with any other family like horticultural crops or with grasses. It just works for legumes. And how does it work? Well, basically, like I just mentioned, the nitrogen which is in the atmosphere, the bacteria, through a nitrification process, it converts it to ammonium, and so in that way, in ammonium, it's available for the plant, and that's the way. It's a symbiotic relationship, right? The plant benefits because of the available nitrogen in the soil, and the bacteria benefits because it has a place for living in the roots of the plant.
Oh, okay. To continue my part.
Okay, I continue my answer is why are available the inoculate in the soil?
Well, it has many advantages because our our same history or the same background that all the agricultures in Honduras, maybe in Central America has, is that they use soils with very low fertility, mainly nitrogen, mainly phosphorus, mainly organic matter, and so the plants do not have a place where to take nutriments. And so the advantages of using this inoculation is because the bacteria will do the kind of nitrogen fixation. So that's the main advantage of that.
Another question, what happened in the soil will high nitrogen content?
Well, that's like a disadvantage for the plants because, or for the bacteria, if you have too much nitrogen content or too much organic matter, then the activity of the bacteria it's inhibited. It's like it's blocked. So the bacteria will not act as well as if you have very poor soils in terms of organic matter or nitrogen.
In this place, only this cultivar or another families in the soil.
Well, if you mean like if it can work for other kind of crop, different from beans. When I say that rhizobium works with legumes, I mean it can work with soybean, with many other legumes, even with the trees, but there are different species. So we have in the lab, we produce and sell just two species of rhizobium that we recommend for bean, for common bean. But if you want to use it for another kind of legume, then you have to look for those different species.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Other question. In this box, you cultivate this rhizobium,
Yes.
and in all culture, you development other organs or only rhizobium?
No, mainly rhizobium. Well, we don't use all of these blocks for rhizobium, just these two over here. These are artificially made blocks, and we prepare it with a different mixture of substrate. So in here we add half of it is soil and the other half is sand. And so that mixture of soil and sand in 50 and 50 makes a very low fertility soil. And so, like I just said before, this is like the perfect environment to develop the activity of rhizobium. But just these two. If we talk about those other blocks, they have a different mixture of soil and compost. They don't have sand on it.
Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.